Hey guys, in this lecture we are going to see about Amazon Athena. So Amazon Athena is used to query the data from S3 bucket. Okay, so the supported format of files are CSV, uh, Paraquat, JSON, ORB. Okay, so we are going to see the demo that we have S3 access logs in S3 bucket, and then we are going to query that logs from Amazon Athena. Okay, click query editor. Before do a query, you need to update the query result location S3 bucket. So I have already added the S3 bucket, so you can add by browsing or clicking on the settings of query editor. Okay, or you will get a notification here like add S3 bucket for query results. Okay, so first so we have added the result bucket. Before we need to query, right? We need to query the S3 bucket location. So I have a S3 bucket that has server access logs. This S3 access log bucket. Uh, so this access log has this bucket's access log. So to enable the access log, you can edit the properties. Yeah, server access logging. So you can enable and provide a destination bucket and log object key format. So there are two types of log archive log object key format. So the second one is to speed up analytics on query application. So so it will partition our S3 bucket based on the timestamp. Okay, so second one gives you fast query response. So I have logs. If you check the destination buckets, I have this log in this folder. Like it created a partition like based on the timestamp. Okay, yeah, these are all the that access S3 bucket logs. Okay, so in query editor, so I'm going to use AWS Knowledge Center. You can search Athena S3 access logs, and you can see the second link, right? Repost.aws. Yeah, here you can see the step-by-step enabling the S3 bucket logging and querying the logs from Athena. Okay, so first what I'm going to do in query editor, right? So here you can see data source, defaults. So data source is same AWS data catalog, and we are going to create a new database instead of the default database. So, okay, so we already have S3 server access log, and we have opened the Athena console, and in query editor we need to create a separate database. Okay, copy this column. Okay, so if you run this query, yeah, completed, query is successful, and here you can see apart from default the new database S3 access log has been created. Okay, so now the next step would be creating a table from the access log. So what this query will do, this query will create a tables. These are all the column name. Okay, so from the location that we provide. Okay, so the location is S3 bucket of that S3 access logs. Okay, so I'm going to copy this query, and I'm just going to update the S3 location. Okay, so in query editor I'm going to paste that query. So here you can see these are all the table creation that it actually going to use the regex and some Apache Hadoop format. Okay, so these are all some query related tech work. Okay, so here in S3 location we are going to provide our server access log S3 location. So this one, right? So till bucket name. Okay, so I'm going to click property and copy that URI. Same goes to here, template. okay, till bucket name. Okay, so now if I run this query, so it's created a my bucket logs. Okay, so the table name is my bucket logs, right? So it created a table called my bucket logs. Now we can query the table based on our use case. Okay, so let's say this example query is used to do query specific file. Okay, so that who deleted, like um, those kind of results we can get it from this query. Okay, so let's say if I run this, okay, so basically I don't have this picture.jpg, so I already created one folder called s3 logs. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to check that key. Okay, so if I run this, no results. Actually it doesn't have any result for that. Yeah, here you can see you got one result. So this is deleted, operation is delete. Okay, so this s3 logs, I deleted this sometime before. Okay, so that's why I'm getting this result. So similarly there are a lot of examples, like we can get 403 specific logs. Okay, so this is how you can analyze the logs through query. Yeah, so here you can see there are lot of 404 error. So instead of specific I can give stop, and if I run, yeah, here you can see this object name, get object operation. So these are all 403 access denied, error code is access denied. So you can analyze this through SQL, and you can even send this query to quick site dashboard, which is visual dashboard. Okay, so this is how Athena works. Okay, this is very helpful to analyze the logs or whatever the data you have uploaded in the S3 bucket with the supported format. Okay, this is it, guys. This is it about Athena. We will see you in the next lecture. Thank you.